Couples come to see me for various motivations. The options that I give can be anything from just what I call the watch and enjoy massage, which is where usually the female partner has the massage and the male watches. That's probably the most popular. And again, within that, there are different motivations. It can be the fact that he just wants to give this experience to his partner. It may be that he wants to actually watch it happening and it gets him turned on, but he doesn't want to take part, so there's an element of the cuckold in there. Or it could be the fact that they've been together for 15 years and he realizes that she is missing something and that this is his way of facilitating that without necessarily letting her go elsewhere. Then there's the watch and enjoy, watch and touch, which is when they join in with me partway through, and that brings them together, so the partner will get the benefit of the first part of the massage, and then the second partner will join in. Or the watch and give, which is when they actually do things together. So in all three cases, it's usually about opening up the relationship. It's about giving someone the experience. It may be just having a third person in the room. It may be the fact that it's about learning new techniques, watching new techniques. You know, men do not generally watch other men in a sexual situation, and so to watch me and see what I do and to see how I do it and see the response from their partner. Quite often I'll hear from male partners, I've never seen my wife react like that before. And often the wives might turn around to me and go, I've never felt sensations like that before. Conversely, it might be the other way around, where the male is wanting to receive touch from another male, but he doesn't want to go out and explore without his partner. Or if it's a tandem massage where there are maybe two people on massage beds, then it's the fact that they're enjoying something together and they're having this experience that they can go home and talk about together and relive in their own time.